Michael? Can you hear me? Michael!
Dad?
You okay?
Yeah.
Get up. Michael! Michael, can you hear me? Michael!
Dad?
Okay, hey. How do you feel? Can you get up?
Yeah, fuck. Yeah.
You all right?
Yeah, everything was shaking. I went upstairs to check on Avery. Is Avery okay?
Avery's not here. Ava took her for a sleepover. Okay, looks like the generator kicked in.
Hey, everyone okay?
Yeah, he hit his, Michael, he hit his head. He was unconscious.
Hey, Michael, hey,
What?
look right at me. Can you do that? Do you know my name?
Max.
Great. What about the month?
February. Well, the one after February.
Right. If I remember anything about playing football, this is what a concussion looks like.
Yeah, well, that's what I was afraid of.
We just gotta keep him awake until we can get Michael some help.
Look, guys, I'm fine. Okay. How's Mom?
What do you mean, Mom? Carly's here.
No, Mrs. C isn't. She's not back from
She's not here. Where's Mike? Is Mike here?
Boss, I did a sweep of the house. There's no sign of him.